Hello students, in previous lecture we have discussed about addition and subtraction of matrices and multiplication of a matrix by a scalar. In this lecture we shall discuss the properties of matrix addition and scalar multiplication. Let's start with properties of matrix addition. First is commutative law. If A and B are matrices of the same order, then A plus B equals to B plus A. For example, let A and B are two matrices of the same order, that is 2 by 3. So A plus B and B plus A both are defined. For A plus B, first we write matrix A, then matrix B. Now add the corresponding elements of matrix A and matrix B. We get a new matrix with elements -3, 6, 3 in first row and 6, 10, 4 in second row. Now to find B plus A, first write matrix B, then write matrix A. Now again add the corresponding elements of matrix B and matrix A. We get a matrix with elements -3, 6, 3, 6, 10 and 4. As we know, addition of real number is commutative, so matrix addition is also commutative. Next is associative law. For any three matrices A, B and C of the same order, A plus B plus C equals to A plus of B plus C. Let's verify it. In this example, A, B and C are three matrices of same order, that is 2 by 2. So addition of matrices is defined. For left hand side of the property, first we add matrix A and B. For that, add the corresponding elements of matrices A and B. After adding the corresponding elements of matrices A and B, we get a matrix with elements 2 and 10 in first row, 6 and 2 in second row. Now we add matrix C in the matrix obtained as A plus B. Now add the corresponding elements of these two matrices A plus B and C. We get a new matrix with elements 5 and 12 in first row, 13 and 3 in second row. For right hand side, first we add matrix B and C. For that, add the corresponding elements of matrices B and C. We get a matrix with the elements 3 and 11 in first row, 9 and 6 in second row. Now we add this matrix B plus C in the matrix A. Add the corresponding elements of matrices A and matrix obtained from B plus C. We get a new matrix with elements 5 and 12 in first row, 13 and 3 in second row. So we have proved A plus B plus C is equals to A plus of B plus C. So matrix addition is associative. Next is existence of additive identity. For any matrix A, there exists a null matrix O of the same order such that A plus O equals to O plus A equals to A. That means if we add null matrix O of the same order, whatever is the order of matrix A, the sum of A and null matrix is always equals to A. So O is called the additive identity for matrix addition. Next is existence of additive inverse. For any matrix A of order m by n, there exists a matrix minus A of the same order such that A plus of minus A is equals to null matrix, or minus A plus A is also equals to null matrix. So minus A is called the additive inverse of A. Next is properties of scalar multiplication of a matrix. If A and B are two matrices of the same order and K and L are the scalars, then K into A plus B is equals to Ka plus Kb, and K plus L into A equals to Ka plus La. Let's discuss one example. In this question, A and B are matrices of the same order, that is 3 by 2, and we have to verify twice of A plus B equals to twice of A plus twice of B. For left hand side, that is equals to twice of A plus B, first we add the matrices A and B. For that, add the corresponding elements of A and B, we get a matrix. Now, multiply each element of this matrix with 2, we get a matrix with elements 14, 6, 2, minus 2, 12 and 4. For right hand side, first we find 2A. For that, multiply each element of matrix A with scalar 2. And then multiply each element of matrix B with scalar 2. To find 2A plus 2B, add the corresponding elements of the matrices 2A and 2B. We get a new matrix with elements 14 and 6, 2, minus 2, 12 and 4. So students, you can see first we add the matrices, then multiply it with scalar, or first we multiply the matrices with scalar, then add the matrices. We always get the same answer. Let's discuss some questions. In this question, A and B are matrices of the order 2 by 3 and a matrix equation 2A minus 5B plus 3x equals to O is given. We have to find matrix X. Students, we have equation 2A minus 5B plus 3x equals to null matrix O. As we know, addition and subtraction is possible only when order of the matrices are same. So here, order of the matrix X must be 2 by 3. Now we simplify this matrix equation to find matrix X. First, we add minus 2A matrix on both sides. Now this equation can be written as 2A minus 5B plus 3x equals to minus 2A. As minus 2A is the additive inverse of 2A, so 2A minus 2A is equals to null matrix O. As O is the additive identity, so we get minus 5B plus 3x equals to minus 2A. Now add 5B matrix on both sides of the equation. Minus 5B is the additive inverse of 5B and O is the additive identity. So we get 3x equals to 5B minus 2A. Then x equals to 1 by 3 into 5B minus 2A. Students, all these steps are for understanding. While solving this matrix equation, we can write directly 3x equals to 5B minus 2A and then x equals to 1 by 3 5B minus 2A. Now, in place of B and A, we write the given matrices. Multiply each element of matrix B with 5, we get a new matrix with elements 40, 20, 15, 0, minus 10 and 30. Similarly, we multiply each element of matrix A with scalar 2, we get a matrix with elements 4, 8, minus 10 in first row, minus 4, 4 and 2 in second row. To find 5B minus 2A, we subtract the elements of matrix 2A from the corresponding elements of matrix 5B. After subtraction, we get a matrix with elements 36, 12 and 25 in first row, 4, minus 14 and 28 in second row. Now, we multiply this matrix with 1 by 3 and we get matrix X with elements 12, 4, 25 by 3 in first row, 4 by 3, minus 14 by 3, 28 by 3 in second row. Moving to the next question. In this question, two matrix equations are given to us. We have to find matrix X and Y. First equation is 2x minus y equals to a matrix with elements minus 6, 0, 2 and 1. And second is x plus 2y equals to a matrix with elements 2, 5, 1 and minus 7. Mark these equations as number 1 and number 2. As addition and subtraction of matrices X and Y is equals to matrix of order 2 by 2, so order of matrices X and Y must be 2 by 2. We solve these two equations just like we solve linear equations in two variables. First, we multiply the equation 1 by 2. We get 4x minus 2y equals to 2 into a matrix with elements minus 6, 0, 2, 1. When we multiply each element of right hand side matrix with 2, we get new matrix with elements minus 12, 0, 4 and 2. Marked it number 3. Now, adding equation 2 and 3, we get left hand side equals to x plus 2y plus 4x minus 2y, and right hand side is equals to sum of two matrices of order 2 by 2. Solving this, we get left hand side equals to 5x, and adding the corresponding elements of matrices, we get right hand side equal to a matrix with elements minus 10, 5, 5 and minus 5. Now x is equals to 1 by 5 multiply a matrix with elements minus 10, 5, 5 and minus 5. Now multiply each element of matrix with 1 by 5, we get a matrix X with elements minus 2, 1, 1 and minus 1. To find matrix Y, we use the given matrix equation number 1. We can write it as Y equals to 2x minus matrix with elements minus 6, 0, 2 and 1. Now in place of X, we write the matrix. Multiply each element of matrix X with scalar 2, we get a matrix with elements minus 4, 2, 2 and minus 2. In next step, subtract the elements of second matrix from corresponding elements of first matrix. After simplification, we get matrix Y with elements 2, 2, 0 and minus 3. Take one more question. In this question, we have to find value of x plus y by solving the given equation. To solve this equation, first we simplify left hand side. For that, multiply the each element of first matrix of left hand side by 2. We get a matrix with elements 2x, 10, 14, 2y minus 6. Now add the two matrices of left hand side. For that, add the corresponding elements of these matrices. After adding the elements, we get a matrix with elements 2x plus 3, 6, 15, 2y minus 4 on left hand side. As right hand side is also a matrix of order 2 by 2, so these two matrices are equal. Now, comparing the corresponding elements of equal matrices, we get 2x plus 3 equals to 7 and 2y minus 4 equals to 14. Solving these two equations, we get x equals to 2 and y equals to 9. We have to find x plus y. Now, x plus y equals to 2 plus 9 equals to 11. Students, I hope that you all have understood the properties of addition and scalar multiplication and how to apply these properties in solving the questions. So try to solve this assignment. Thank you.